Hello, my friends. Hey, it's Rosa here. It is only 5 days before Christmas, and it is time for you to buy yourself a Christmas present, and that's your own home right here. So let's do a home tour, my friends. Are you ready? All right, so what's really beautiful about this home is that first off, it's been totally renovated. Now, in the meantime, if you need my info, there you go. There's me right there. Give me a call or check out my website or drop me a text, and we can share more information with you about this home. Now, this home is brand new, totally renovated. It's in Windsor, Connecticut. All right, so you see here you have a new garage door, attached garage, all brand new, everything in here, which I'm gonna show you. And it's in a great neighborhood. I mean, this is a cul-de-sac. No one comes around here. Let's take a look, my friends. So the home is a 3-bedroom. As you can see, all brand new flooring, absolutely gorgeous. Here's your coat closet. As you walk in, you have all new heating and cooling units there. So it's ready for you. Big, spacious living room, great room as soon as you walk in. And you see there, fireplace with wood stove. So if you're that person that you love the smell of wood during the winter, you like to get just cozy and get a little wood stove going there for you, you got it there, quick, simple, and easy. Now the kitchen has been totally redone. Absolutely gorgeous. Stainless steel appliances, granite counters, my friend. Everything, all cabinets, brand new, simple, easy living. I do have some information if you come over here and take a look at the home. You know, if you want to know what your home's worth, I have information for you there. I can give you a free book. Come on over to my open house here today. You want some mints, you want some pens, you want the full information, everything right here. We have it for you. The backyard, you overlook it from the kitchen sink, all level and partially fenced. So very private, partially fenced, right? Here's your beautiful, brand new, never used stainless steel refrigerator. And once again, here is that attached 1-car garage in great shape, and you actually have access to the attic from there. So you have plenty of cabinet space, a lot of room to move here, no problems, no issues. Right, this area could be used as formal dining and living room if you want to. Plenty of room here, again, with that beautiful wood stove. Now, as you walk through here, once again, you're gonna see everything is brand new. So to my right here, I have a bedroom and it has double closets, right? So if you're that person that you need extra closet space, well, there you go, my friends, right? Double closet. Lighting here, brand new doors, everything simple, easy, and this would probably be your master bedroom. Here's a little bit of a linen closet here, okay? And once again, over here, heating and cooling in every bedroom, right? Plenty of room here, plenty of closet space. This would be your second bedroom. Going over to your third bedroom, but before we do that, let's take a look at the beautiful, brand new, all new fixtures, right? Brand new vanity, sink, all gorgeous new tile, right? Everything is here for you to be able to just move right in. And then right here would be your third bedroom. Once again, plenty of closet space overlooking the rear yard with heating and cooling here, my friends. So hopefully you are enjoying the tour of this home. All right, my friends, just to give you a recap, here is this home available for you, 11 Fyler in Windsor, Connecticut. It's listed for $359,900. Okay, and it's ready to move right in. Everything brand new, heating, cooling, vinyl siding, beautiful flooring, beautiful kitchen, beautiful bath, ready for you so that you can move in. And this is Rosa. Hope Hopefully, your favorite real estate broker. Available for you every step of the way, my friends. God bless you. Have a peaceful, happy, and wonderful holiday season with you and your family, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.